Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Eric from the Beemer Fam. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video. But today we back at Mexico High School. So we got the boy Gabe's Maserati coupe. Make sure you follow him on Instagram at LivingLavishIG. Show the boy some love. Man, he's got the mean spec. Perfect color wheels, nice tire letting right there. It's got the carbon on the mirrors, carbon on the door handle. But the best part is probably the exhaust system. It's got the thing straight piped and sounds insane. If you guys have seen some of our last Mexico meets, this thing just sounded nuts. It also has this nice carbon on the lip right there. Picked this car up from Louisiana. There goes the handle for the Instagram. Make sure you go check them out. And he's got like the caramel interior on it. And then you guys all know about my E39 M5. It's rocking blue water metallic. And we also have our new boy's his M4, his 2015 M4. It's got the nice white paint with the red guts. And he's also got the extendos on the shifters. Beautiful car, beautiful spec. We'll come around back, and he's done the the full carbon work. Nice diffuser here, nice lip there. Some nice exhaust tips as well. He's also got a few things done to the exhaust. It's a complete package, sounds great, looks great as well. We'll come around to the front. He's also got the tire lettering on the side right there. Absolutely beautiful. And you guys have also seen our boy Graham's E39 M5 in a Mola red. This thing is beautiful. I love these cars in red. You also don't really see him in red. He's got the nice OEM wheels on the car. Come around back, looks beautiful. I love the license plate. Those of you get the joke, you get it. But if not, you might want to think about it for a second. But, he's got stock exhaust aside from an X pipe. Also a complete package.
All that, bro?
Sounds like explosions. I just love this road. Maserati looking beast mode back there. The only bad thing about the road is the bikers. Man, this Maserati sounds absolutely insane. What do you guys think about that Maserati? That thing sounds unreal. Looks really good too. Damn. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Drop a comment, let me know which car you prefer in the rev battle, my M5 or the Maserati. But the lineup is sick. Graham killed it with the donuts. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick drive, just putting the car to the test. Once again, make sure you check out Living Lavish IG on Instagram. Obviously check out our Instagram as well, at Beemer Fam. Make sure you browse the videos as well. And I'll put the rest of the cars in the description to the link to their Instagrams as well. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.